everybody. Hello everybody. How's everybody doing? This is Miss J. I'm popping in real quick. I want to show you another Kandi Koated review. First off, let's start off with my eyes. This is the palette that I used. I'm going to use this color here. And it's off the Throw and Shade palette. That's what I did with my eyes. Throw and Shade palette. And as far as my brows concerned, I used our product called High Brow. The name of it is on Fleek. I really like using this. It turns into a powder as you use it. And again, it's called High Brow, and it's called, the name of it is on Fleek. Next I use cheeks. It's called Chic-To-Chic, and this is called Bashful. And Bashful is very pigmented, very pigmented, very pigmented. Can you see? Very pigmented, and that's what I used on my cheeks. My shimmer, I used this shimmer, and it's called Love Sick, and that's what you see in my T-zones. I know we can't miss the lips, right? Oh yes, the lips, the lips, the lips. This is called Ex-Girlfriend. Ex-Girlfriend. This is what I used. You see it? Goes on very smooth. Satin feel. And this is called Ex-Girlfriend. And I told you it was going to be real quick. And again, thank you for tuning in to my channel. And I will be back with another Kandi Koated review. Now, if you would like to be Kandi Koated, contact me, Faces by Angela J on Facebook. Okay? And or Angela J's Kandi Koated Cosmetics and Bedroom Candy Boutique. Okay? Y'all have a good day. Thank you, my beauties, for stopping in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And give Miss J a thumbs up.